In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a client in QuickBooks Online Accountant in just 5 minutes. Let's make this process as smooth as possible so you can manage your clients efficiently and without any hassle. To get started, the first thing you need to do is sign into your QuickBooks Online Accountant account. This is your central hub, and from here you're going to manage all your clients, their accounting files, and everything in between. So click on sign in and enter your credentials. After signing in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. From there, choose QuickBooks Online. This selection will direct you to the specific platform designed to manage your accounting needs efficiently. With your choice made, proceed by entering your credentials once again, ensuring that you're securely accessing your professional environment. Once you've entered your login details, click Continue to move forward. Now on your dashboard, look for the Client section. It's generally located on the left-hand side or within a prominent menu at the top. Click on Clients. This will take you to the page where you can view and manage all your existing clients. From here, you're prepared to add a new client. On the top right corner of the screen, you'll spot a button labeled Add Client. Give this a click. You're now on the brink of bringing a new client into your QuickBooks fold, and you'll want to do this efficiently. Next, you'll want to add the business name. This step is crucial as it directly reflects the identity of the client in your records. Ensure the name is spelled correctly to avoid any confusion later on. Then proceed to enter the email for this client. The email address is important for future communications and any shared documents or reports that you might need to send. Once you've entered these details with care, go ahead and click on Next. Now you'll need to choose a plan for your new client. This is all about tailoring the QuickBooks service to fit your client's specific needs. So take a moment to select the plan that best aligns with their accounting requirements. After choosing the suitable plan, click on Select to lock in your choice. Following this, click on Next. You're almost there. The final steps include adding a subscription. You'll want to pick the subscription that corresponds to the plan you previously selected. Access the Add a Subscription option and choose the preferred plan. Finally, you're ready to wrap things up. Click on Place Order and pay to finalize the process. This action will ensure that your client is set up correctly, aligned with the necessary tools and resources that QuickBooks Online Accountant provides. And there you have it, your client is now successfully added to your QuickBooks Online Accountant portfolio. Managing your clients digitally has never been easier, has it? Whether you're handling accounting for a single client or hundreds, this streamlined process ensures you're always on top of your professional game. Thanks for watching, and happy accounting.